The aim was to create a dynamic home open to different possibilities, allowing for a flexible and responsible way of living today and in the future. For example, when the client's children come to visit, the living room becomes a bedroom, the dining table expands for shared meals, and the balcony transforms into a gathering space. It's a home that can evolve and adapt with its resident needs at different times. I'm Ismael Medina Manzano, an architect and researcher working between Madrid and New York. The apartment is located on the outskirts of San Sebastian. It's a city in the Bay of Biscay, 20 kilometers from the France-Spain border. This project is called the Unplanned Domestic Prototype. It challenges rigid conventional layout by creating a home that adapts seamlessly to different activities and needs. All the furniture pieces are designed to be movable in order to create a greater flexibility in the house for different activities. This building was constructed in 1966 as part of Spain's post-war standardized housing boom. The owners are part of a larger, diverse family made up of multiple households and ages. So they wanted space that could comfortably house 6 people at the same time or be a cozy space for 2. We decided to create a circular wall because this space could be changing a lot with different activities, so the curve helped us to emphasize and to make bigger the space. It's a wall that helps us to create more movement in the space and make it easily to change. The original floor plan was divided in 3 bedrooms, a close-off kitchen, a narrow corridor, and a dark living area. We decided to create a wide open concept space. To separate the living and sleeping areas, we created a semicircular wall. Inside it, we placed storage and a small guest toilet at the client's request.
Japan. It's a delicious puzzle of contradictions. So delicious, in fact, that we've dedicated an entire issue of our magazine to it. But this is not the Japan you might expect. In issue 3, we go beyond the golden turd to explore the art of bending space and light with architect Takeshi Hosaka and Paul Smith's 40-plus year love affair with Japan. We ask how legendary product designer Naoto Fukasawa finds the essence of an object while also celebrating the Japanese-born art form of chindogu, that is, designing almost useless gadgets. And, of course, there are new compact Japanese small homes to fall in love with too. There's so much more inside, including a double-sided pull-out poster featuring original artwork and a city guide curated by creative Tokyo locals. Get your copy now. Visit nevertoosmall.com/store.
So you enter the apartment through the hallway. The green metal doors with polycarbonate panels lead to the bedrooms, letting light filter through and act as a diffuser. A polycarbonate ceiling was installed to soften the artificial light and give the illusion that the space is a natural lightbox. So we choose to use mirrors in this space to double the size and reflect the light. Behind these mirrors, you'll find storage, wardrobes, pantries, and a guest toilet on the right. The guest toilet is accessed via a hidden door that blends into the mirror hallway. It's clad in white mosaic tiles and receives natural light through the glass blocks that are integrated into the curved tile wall. The locally sourced sandstone in the center was thought of a passageway. It invites you to cross this reflective wall, going from a space that is compact to a very open space and higher ceilings. As an architect, we can treat materials in a more sensible way. So we use it as it is, natural, with its pores, with its textures, because it's ecological, more responsible. The living and kitchen areas are connected. It was very important for us to have a space that was completely adaptable to different activities. Most furniture is on wheels or can be reconfigured for different uses. For example, plants on rolling platforms can act as movable green partitions, providing privacy when needed. The mirror kitchen blends smoothly with the ceramic material, allowing the views to pass through while reflecting the terrace outside. This gives the illusion that the kitchen can disappear, even though it stays open to the leisure area when in use. The custom-made liftable table was designed at our studio. It can be used as a prep area for cooking, to move things around, or as a large dining table depending on the activity. Thanks to heavy-duty casters and a hydraulic system, this piece is easy to use and extremely adaptable to the space. Both the kitchen countertop and table surface are made from reclaimed leftover wet granite from the building's renovation that was done before. The green metal beams across the ceiling give a sense of continuity to the spaces. The diagonal tube lighting creates a sense of dynamism for this ever-changing space. The sofa can be used as a bed, as a conversation area, or a sitting space for reading, or also watching movies. We choose the fabric to match the vertical lines in the glazed tiles. The placement of color was carefully considered to visually expand the space, using bold tones to background surfaces to draw the eye and guide it to all corners of the space. The balcony is accessed through an accordion window that opens up fully. This way, the outdoor space becomes an extension of the living area and daily activities. The door to the main bathrooms is camouflaged within the walls of the vestibule in order to make it truly unexpected. It is designed to feel like a separate capsule that feels peaceful and calming. The blue tones throughout the space helps to create a soothing atmosphere. A drop ceiling hides the strip LED light in the bathroom. Behind the green metal doors with translucent panels are the bedrooms. These doors let natural light come in from outside, making the space feel bigger. The bedrooms are kept simple and small, with open closets. My approach to architecture focuses on adaptability, creating spaces that respond to climate, community, and social dynamics, and evolve with the people who use them. Rather than imposing fixed rules, I see architecture as a flexible platform that supports both present and future ways of living.
Thanks for watching. If you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.